So here's how we can erase an object in the Photoshop on an iPad. So that's how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, make sure you have your picture ready into the, or like imported into the Photoshop so you can work with it. Then what you're gonna do is to use the selection tool in the top left section of the like tools, so you can choose like multiple different selections. You have like the automatic selection of objects. If it works well for your image, then great. If not, use like the manual or quick selection tool, whatever, but just make sure you select the object which you actually want to erase. And once you have it selected, at the bottom you can see I can use generative fill to like replace it with something else, or I also have the ability to just click on erase and it will like remove it. Right? Obviously, the point is that this is Photoshop and, you know, you're supposed to just kind of like be more professional with it, I guess. So when it removes it, it just means that it just leaves like a blank space where the object was. So you now kind of have to like figure out what you put it there or play with the background, or, there are like these layers within the Photoshop which you can work with. So it kind of depends on your creativity and what you need the image to be, but this is the basic eraser tool for your objects, right? Obviously, if you just wanted to, as I said, use the generative fill, you can just use that, type that in, and like kind of tell it to replace it with something else, right? That could work as well. So that's kind of how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to find what you needed. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.